Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook delicious mussel soup. The ingredients are 1 bag of mussels, onion leaves, and of course the chopped onions and a slice of ginger. And this is 1 bag of frozen mussels. I'm using organic extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil. Pepper and salt to taste. Now we have to heat the frying pan and then put the oil on it just a little bit and put the onions. Stir it until it gets brown. When it gets brown, then add the slice of ginger. Let's add the sliced ginger in it and stir it. Next is we have to put 1 frozen bag of mussels. Stir it really good. Now this time we have to add 2 cups of water. If you would like, just use 1 cup of water, but I love to have more soup or more liquid on my soup for my rice. And add salt and pepper for the taste. Let's cover the pan and leave it for about 5 minutes. Let's check our soup. Oh, it's really boiling. It looks delicious. Then we can add the last one, add the chop of onion leaves. Mix it well and let us cover in a few seconds. It looks really yummy. Sarap ng tahong. It tastes really good, and this is our delicious mussel soup for the day. Thank you for watching guys, and please subscribe my channel. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.